Are crypto whales still manipulating the price? I'm here to tell you that they are still making moves in the crypto world, okay? Please note this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, I do this for education purposes only. I'm doing it today so we can get in and have a look at how crypto whales are still affecting the crypto price. So guys, first what I want to do is take you over to barchart.com, the link down below, okay? You can see there is a massive drop in Bitcoin right now. I want to take you to about the 20-day mark where we can see some of the whales that are actually starting to affect the price, okay? So the percentage change in the last 5 days was 20.7%. That's a lot, all right? You move up to the 100-day, we know when that happened, but just in the 20 to 50-day mark, there's been an average volume of 84,808. Okay, so the price is being affected by whales. That's a fact, all right? Some whales are pulling out, whales are moving this market. Now, surprisingly, Bitcoin actually decoupled from big tech in the last few days and is held strong in the mid 20 to 21K until this 5-day rotor where it has just dropped. So while tech stock like Meta, and I've actually had a rough couple of days, so is Bitcoin. Everything is starting to drop. They did hold strong while they had this problem, but now Bitcoin has dropped as well. So we can see the whales are coming in and truly moving the market here. Now let's jump over to u.today, okay? Links are down below as well, and you'll see the article. Large Ethereum whales add whopping 3.5 million ETH to their bags. So we're starting to see a bit of a move, okay? Everyone's been waiting for this point of when Bitcoin becomes on sale, when we can get some, all right? Maybe this is it. ETH market continues to be dominated by the bearish sentiments, that's fine, but there's big whales coming in and taking big bags, all right? The cohort of investors below billionaire whales that between 100 and 1 million ETH tokens have been selling off their Ethereum holdings according to previous Saturn data. Notably, the trend started shortly after the Ethereum blockchain's migration to the use of proof of staking consensus. Looking on the bright side of this, right? ETH would receive a boost when whales currently redistribute and return to active accumulation. Similarly, they have been opened in the bullish signals pairs. What that means is the whales are still adding these to their bags. So once they get back in and move this market up, every single one of them is going to jump on, which means Ethereum is going to rocket to where we thought it would get to, in my opinion. Guys, not only that, we've seen $1.5 billion in Bitcoin outflows from crypto exchange to self-custody wallets, which means what we're saying is right. The whales are starting to move. Okay, with Ethereum, the addresses still have over 85,000 ETH. Okay, after the multi-million-dollar transfer, and each price was up over 8 after this transaction of the time of the whales. So they are moving. Yes, there's people pulling out. Crypto's starting to go down. The whales are moving their wallets. They're packing up on their bags, and I feel something's about to explode. All right, something's about to explode, and it's not going to be bad. It's going to explode it to the moon. So maybe it's a good time to buy. Maybe it isn't. I'm not a financial advisor. But what I'm telling you is I'm watching the markets and I'm watching the whales, and they are ready to put bags back into crypto. So guys, if you enjoyed this, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I will see you next time.